Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll build a JavaScript program that generates all possible letter combinations from a string of digits using recursion. This mirrors how phone keypads map digits to letters, like on classic phones. We'll see how recursion elegantly explores all possible letter paths. Let's jump into the problem. Given a string of digits, we map each digit to its letters and generate all possible letter combinations. For example, 1 has A, B, and C. 2 has D, E, F, giving us combinations like AD, AE, AF, and so on. We'll use recursion to build all these combinations efficiently. Let's check out the code. We define a function letter combinations that takes the digit string. We map each digit to its letters. Then call a recursive function that explores every combination. The base case adds a complete combination to the result. This continues until all possible combinations are generated. At each recursive step, we get the current digit letters and loop through them. For each letter, we add it to the current combination and call the function recursively. When we've used all digits, we add the combination to the result. This process covers all possible combinations. Let's walk through 12. First, digit 1 gives us A, B, C. For each of those, we add letters from digit 2, D, E, F. This results in all combinations like AD, AE, AF, BD, etc. This shows how recursion builds all possibilities. Letter combinations are useful in various scenarios. Classic phone keypads map digits to letters for text entry. They are also used in generating passwords, AI prediction models, and coding interviews. Let's finish with a summary. We've built a recursive function to generate all letter combinations from a digit string. This approach uses recursion and backtracking to explore every possible outcome. It is a powerful example of solving combinatorial problems. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.